Let me start from the beginning. I work as a graphic designer at a small marketing company. I've been doing this job for about 3 years now. Before that, I was a freelance designer, which means I worked from home and had different clients. Now, I work in an office. It's a nice place. Not too big, not too small. There are about 15 people in my company. I really like my colleagues. They are friendly and helpful. My typical workday starts at 8:30 in the morning. I usually wake up at 7, have a quick breakfast, and then I take the train to work. The train ride takes about 30 minutes. I use that time to listen to podcasts or read the news. When I arrive at the office, the first thing I do is check my emails. I get a lot of emails every day, from clients, from my boss, from my team members. After that, I have a short team meeting. We talk about what we're working on and what we need to do that day. My main responsibility is creating visual content. I design logos, social media posts, and sometimes websites too. I really enjoy the creative part of my job. It feels good when I finish a project and the client loves it. Some days are very busy, and I have a lot of deadlines. A deadline is the date when you must finish something. When I have a tight deadline, I need to work quickly and stay focused. I don't take long breaks on those days. I just drink coffee and keep working. I usually take my lunch break around noon. I eat at my desk, or sometimes I go out with my colleagues to a nearby cafe. We talk about work, but we also talk about other things. Movies, sports, weekend plans. It's a nice break. In the afternoon, I continue with my design work. I often have meetings with clients in the afternoon. We discuss their needs, and I show them my designs. This is my favorite part of the job because I get to be creative and solve problems. I finish work around 5:30 in the evening. Sometimes I leave a little later if I have a lot of work, but I try to leave on time. I believe work-life balance is important. That means having time for work and also time for yourself and your family. At the end of the day, I feel satisfied. My job is not always easy, but I like what I do. I like being creative. I like working with people. I like solving problems. For me, it's more than just a job. It's something I enjoy. So that's my job. That's what I do every day. Now, let me explain some of the phrases I used in my story. Number 1, I work as a. Meaning, this is how you tell people what your profession is. How to use it? Say, I work as a plus your job title. Examples. I work as a teacher. I work as a nurse. I work as an engineer. Number 2, I've been doing this job for. Meaning, this tells people how long you have had your job. How to use it? Say, I've been doing this job for plus period of time. Examples. I've been doing this job for 5 years. I've been doing this job for 2 months. I've been doing this job for a long time. Number 3, my typical workday starts at. Meaning, this describes when your day normally begins. How to use it? Say, my typical workday starts at plus time. Examples. My typical workday starts at 9 o'clock. My typical workday starts at 7 in the morning. My typical workday starts at 8:30. Number 4, my main responsibility is. Meaning, this tells people what your main task or duty is. How to use it? Say, my main responsibility is plus verbing or noun. Examples. My main responsibility is managing the team. My main responsibility is customer service. My main responsibility is writing reports. Number 5, I have a lot of deadlines. Meaning, this means you have many dates when you must finish your work. How to use it? You can say, I have deadlines, or I have a deadline. Examples. I have a deadline tomorrow. We have tight deadlines in my job. My boss gives us deadlines for every project. Number 6, work-life balance. Meaning, this is the balance between your work time and your personal time. How to use it? Use it to talk about having enough time for both work and life. Examples. I try to have a good work-life balance. My company cares about work-life balance. It's important to have work-life balance. Now let's look at some common mistakes people make when talking about their jobs. I've made these mistakes before too. Mistake number 1, using a or an with job titles. Incorrect, I work as engineer. Correct, I work as an engineer. Explanation, we need to use a or an before job titles. Use a before consonant sounds and an before vowel sounds. Mistake number 2, wrong preposition with work. Incorrect, I work in a teacher. Correct, I work as a teacher. Correct, I work in a hospital. Correct, I work for a company. Explanation, use as for your job title, in for a place, and for an organization. Mistake number 3, using the wrong verb tense. Incorrect, I am working here since 2020. Correct, I have worked here since 2020. Correct, I have been working here since 2020. Explanation, when you talk about something that started in the past and continues now, use the present perfect tense. Mistake number 4, forgetting on with days. Incorrect, I start at 8 o'clock Monday. Correct, I start at 8 o'clock on Monday. Explanation, use on with days of the week. Use at with specific times. Mistake number 5, using make instead of do. Incorrect, I make my job every day. Correct, I do my job every day. Explanation, we use do for work, jobs, and tasks. We use make for creating or producing something. Now it's your turn. I want you to practice talking about your job. Try to answer these questions. Use the phrases we learned in my story. Take your time. Pause the video if you need to think. Question number 1. What do you do? What is your job? Model answer. I work as a teacher. Question number 2. How long have you been doing your job? Model answer. I've been doing this job for about 3 years. Question number 3. What does your typical workday look like? When does it start? My typical workday starts at 9 in the morning. I usually wake up at 7, have breakfast, and then drive to work. Question number 4. What is your main responsibility? Model answer. My main responsibility is teaching English to students. I also prepare lesson plans and correct homework. Question number 5. How do you feel about your job? Model answer. I really like my job. It's challenging, but I enjoy helping my students learn. I feel satisfied at the end of the day. Question number 6. Do you have a good work-life balance? Model answer. Yes, I think I have a good work-life balance. I finish work at 5, and I have time for my family and hobbies. That's all for this lesson, everyone. Thank you for learning with me. I hope you feel more confident about talking about your job in English now. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try to talk about your job with a friend or even just to yourself. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. Don't forget to subscribe to Learn English with Mark for more videos. In our next video, I'll talk about something else from my daily life. I'll see you there. Bye for now.